Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Dinora Silver here, and we're doing some more Scratch. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And also guys, hope you guys will watch my other Scratch video. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to make your own thumbnail in Scratch. We all know what thumbnails are, so yeah. Just like do this. So if you don't know what a thumbnail is, thumbnail, like a screen, like on YouTube, I guess. Just go to YouTube. I'm not Scratch. Like this is a thumbnail. Like it's like the thing. This from Griff Patch. He's a great YouTuber and a great scratcher. Look at this. Like it's just like a thumbnail of like what it's about and stuff. Like how to make a story in Scratch like that. Like that. That's a thumbnail. So yeah. Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys know what a thumbnail is, but just in case. And now, so let's get this started. All right. Let's do like a green screen, and we're going to Epic. We're going to we will. Okay, this is cool text. You just type it just type cool text and it will come up. There you go. Just type it and then yeah, and then like you can do your own and then you guys actually here you go. Like there are all these options and you can like search. Like if I do let's do New Year's, then some New Year types of text will come up. Well, I don't think there is New Year's actually. I think there is Christmas. I'm pretty sure there's Christmas. Okay, let's see if there's Christmas. Yep, there are Christmas ones. Just a bit though. There's not that much. All right. So yeah, let's just go back. Yeah. All right. So yeah, there's lots of these stuff. I'm gonna do Epic Stone, and you guys choose your one. And yeah, I'm gonna just name it guys. Right? Guys. Nice guys. All right. We'll just do this actually, and then save image as. Let's just do cool. I'm gonna do three. I'm gonna do two O's and 1 0. Cool. Text. So, all right. We're just going to go to our backpack and we're gonna get our character. These guys. You just know him. Know them from my other Scratch video. They're the best ever. Wait. Alright, they're just here now. They're good. They're here. Yeah, let's get these coding out. I forgot about the coding here. Go. Nice. Alright. So, now we have a big logo generator thing here. Upload costume. Go there. There you go. I didn't know it there because I already had a cool text there. That's why. So, yeah. Here it is. Copy. Paste here. Delete this here. Get this one here. There you go. We have like a little thumbnail. Well, we can do some more stuff to it. Maybe we can add some, I don't know, let's say emojis. Like I'm just gonna make my own little, just some emojis. I don't know, just for some little extra credit, I guess. So yeah, let's do it like that. Alrighty, that's nice. Let's do like a little face. I don't know, anything you guys want. Let's do a happy face emoji. Nice. Now this is not as complicated. Right. Now let's just duplicate that, I guess. That's nice. Oh no. Oh no. Now I'm upset. So that calls for this. A sad emoji. Alright. Let's go. Now that's like a thumbnail, guys. So for Venia, and we always make it hide. We just press save now when it's like on that, right? And then we just go here, like we do this. We do when we've clicked hide, because then we for an animation like this. Okay, save now. It's already on it. Then it just hides already, and then we can still start our animation here. Our animation will start while this will hide. Let's do maybe a demo. Let's do a demo. And it doesn't really even have to be for emojis. I mean, there's other stuff, I guess, you can do it for. Oh yeah, I can actually get this. This is good. This is what now? Just a sprite. He's just a sprite. Don't worry, he's just a sprite. There's lots of stuff in here. Okay, let's get this one.
For my New Year resolution.
Yeah, this is just an animation I did. Don't worry. Alright. So yeah, we have to always do show again. Just have to make this hide. And then press show here. Good. Yeah. Then we ask this to show. And when this is hidden, then it's right there. Then save now. Done. Then yeah, no matter what, it's just gonna be like that. Then like when you go there, see, like there, it comes there. Oh yeah, let's just name this test. Thumbnail test. Nice. So yeah, guys, that's how you make a thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned how to make a thumbnail. And I will see you later.